English. Hi everyone. I'm Ao.
I'm Momo.
What are we going to do today?
Since it's summer holiday, let's go to Grandpa's house.
Yay! I'm excited. What do we do when we go to Grandpa's house?
There is a big tree, so we can catch insects there.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Come on, get ready to go.
Okay, Mom. Enjoy stuffies. Welcome to my house.
Hi, Grandpa.
Stay in my house relaxed. You can catch insects and go fish. Yeah.
I'm happy.
So excited. Let's catch insects first. Yay!
I wanted to do it.
So, let's do it first, Momo. Hold this net and go catch them.
Okay. Let's go, Ao.
Yeah!
I'm wondering what I can get.
Oh, there's a skater there.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna get it. Oh, it flew away.
Too bad. There's stag beetle.
Okay. I really want it.
Yay!
Yay. I got it.
Well done. It's big.
It's your turn now.
Thank you. I want to catch butterfly. There it is. I got it.
You're really good, Ao.
Thank you. There's grasshopper.
It's funny that it's jumping around. No, it ran away. One more time. I got it.
It's good you both got a lot. Let's scoop some goldfish.
Okay.
There's a lot of goldfish. Let's get a lot again.
Could I catch? I did.
Hooray! You're really good.
Oh, thank you. It's your turn now.
Thank you. Could I catch? Oh, it ripped. Again. I got it. Cute.
It's cute.
Was it fun today?
It was.
Thank you very much. Come to my house again.
Alright.
Thank you. Bye. Goodbye. We're home.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was very fun.
We got a lot of insects.
And goldfish.
Wow, that's a lot. It must have been a good holiday memory.
Yes. It was really fun today. Let's go to Grandpa's house and catch insects again one day.
Yes, I think so too.
Na 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 na.